everyone, we're going to find the antiderivative of cosine and sine, these two problems here. And so for the first one, what we want to do is go ahead and insert dt after this to get this in differential form. Now we're going to move the 4 on the outside and do this. So we know that the antiderivative of cosine is just sine. So we're just going to write this as sine of t and multiply it by our 4. And then we have our plus c, some constant we might have. Now let's check it. We're going to work backwards. So the derivative of 4 sine of t plus c equals, now remember the c is just some constant, and that's going to equal 4, the derivative of sine is cosine of t with respect to dt in our differential form. Alright, the second one is this one. Now we know the derivative of cosine is negative sine, but we have a positive sign here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead, and the trick is going to be to put 2 negatives here. 2 negatives still make a positive, so I'm just going to put 2 negatives here. It's in differential form, and just move one of these out. So I move it outside the differential, the integral sign. And so then we have negative sine u du. So now we know that the derivative of negative sine, the antiderivative of negative sine of u is cosine of u. And then you move the negative in front, and then you go ahead and put your plus c. Now we can check our answer. You check your answer, take the derivative of negative cosine of u plus c, and that equals sine of u du. So it does work. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.